Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on Paycom. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in paycom.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Paycom website. Now from the home page, in order to log into your existing account, click on the login button at the top section and then choose client. You will then be taken into the client login page. Now from the login page, just type in your client code, which is also your user ID. After entering this, type in your account username and then enter your account password that you used while signing up. Finally, click on the login button and you will be logged into your account on Paycom right away. And then you can immediately start using the Paycom services. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on Paycom. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.